We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein.
Let's go. We are going left, so don't want to go too far. One more.
Yeah. Perfect.
Gotta get some when you can, isn't
Oh yes.
I put the heated grips on, my hands start sweating. I turn them off, I get cold. I turn them back on, they start sweating.
Which gloves you got on?
Air gloves.
Oh really? See, I've got the RST ones on, which are a bit warmer than my actual mesh gloves. They are very ventilated, they are summer gloves, but they're definitely a bit warmer. But they're perfect because they let in enough air. Like right now, my hands are a little bit cold, even with my heated grips on too.
Well, mine cold when you get hot because I've got my hand guards.
Yes.
So I'm getting no airflow over my hands.
I'm probably
It's
getting
better when I take them out.
a little bit too much.
I put the hand guard extenders on as well, didn't I?
I didn't see.
It's been on for a while. I'm definitely going to the new brake leaders. You should definitely get these brake leaders even if you don't get the short ones.
Yeah.
Because they're just nice. They definitely feel better than the stock ones.
I think I'd like the. I mean, I think I'd like the short ones once I get used to it.
I like them a lot. It did take a while to get used to it.
Yeah.
But now I'm used to it. I don't even think about it. I just feel good.
I need to go work with my bike.
Oh yeah. I'm worried we're going the wrong way now. It's funny if I put sports bike shop in, wouldn't it?
Imagine. You did say something about showing a way that would be Hunstanton way, something.
Yeah, there is a way that goes out Boston way. Yeah. Look at it. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this feels good. Yeah, we're in Leicestershire. Or Leicestershire. Oh, what's that? Top tower is £12. Argue. I was hoping this road would be so busy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very busy.
How the weather's changed.
Yes.
I did say it's going to be better up here.
It's very nice.
Get better weather where we're going. And we made the right choice. Oh, multiple targets closed.
Oh, that one kind of spawned in.
Yeah. I remember that, it's like,
Yeah, you never stayed with me like that.
I did.
Yeah, I know.
I did. Obviously, I have a little blast every now and again.
That must have been so fucking boring.
Or for me.
Yeah, I mean, it was for me.
Yeah.
I hated it.
No, it's alright, it's nice to have you with me.
It's not like I didn't really come out that much anyway, because I didn't like the fact. I just didn't enjoy 125s.
Could have gone off it quicker, but I suppose even 47 horsepower wouldn't have been enough.
No.
Yeah, drinking chocolate bar was just enough to keep me going.
Yeah, definitely needed a drink.
Yeah.
I had beans on toast. Well, I had toast with beans. No, I had cheese with beans
Oh.
and some toast. Basically, well, okay. I was trying to say that I had a lot of cheese.
Right.
You never had that? Beans on toast with cheese,
No.
grated cheese. Oh, it's fucking amazing.
Never.
Motherfuckers.
They're not white.
No. That sounds so much fucking better. That sounds so good.
On my bike.
Yeah, like on downshift and stuff, and
on the downshift
and on the decel, I can actually hear it popping now. Sounds a lot better.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind a camper van, you know.
You are getting old.
I know. So, thing is though, I have wanted a camper van since before I was your age.
Yeah.
Because I want it now, it makes me old. If you get one when you're your age, like now, it's trendy and cool. If I get one, it's because I'm old.
It's just more typically is one of those things that like retired people do, right? But
I just like, I've always liked, you think, I had a camper van when we went racing.
oh yeah,
We
we
could have driven down the night before, especially if we ever raced outdoors. We could have, you know, you remember that time we did race outdoors and we had the tent everyone stayed with us?
yes.
That was cool, wasn't it? That was a good weekend. It smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it stinks.
Look at the landscape, how different it is.
Yeah. Beautiful. Imagine having like a little house like that, like a little farmhouse.
You know, wouldn't it?
So we are actually officially in the Peak District. I didn't see the sign.
We are actually officially in the Peak District. I just see the sign. A bit overgrown, but I see it.
Nottingham. Is that how they talk over here? Nottingham.
You'll see. I can't do it, so they're going left.
It's kind of like Manchester, right?
I've only literally just noticed. A bit what? Manchester-y?
Yeah.
I don't know. Are they? Nice.
Hey. He waves. Legend.
Did you have a ladder on? You know I was carrying something yellow on his back.
We had a bit of everything, I think. And a camera on the side of his helmet.
Yeah, I see a camera. Can you go away with the person on the bridge? See if they wave back.
What's up? What's with the rivet?
I thought he was giving me a waving sign. Oh, I'm 12 miles away now. Too fast. Hello?
No, what did it say?
Chesterfield. I keep forgetting it's a Friday.
Oh yeah, it is. For some reason I had it in my head it was a Saturday.
Same. So, 1.4 miles, and I'm now disappointed that we're nearly there. Are you disappointed?
I'm a little bit, but I also could do with a little rest. My butt hurts.
I'm hoping I can remember it when I see it, and I'm hoping it's the same place.
Hoping it's the same place. Okay.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's the same place that I went to before, because it was a really nice place. Oh yeah, we're here. This is it. This is it. Yes.
Community market. The old house.
Yep. And if you follow me, I'll see if we can get our special private spot for parking. Oh. Out of the way. So last time, this will do. This will do. We'll have these two spots.